Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with the long tail cast on because it creates a stable, elastic edge. Make a slip knot and slide it onto the right needle. This counts as stitch 1. Hold needle in your right hand and spread tail over your left thumb, working yarn over your left index finger. Once done, form a triangular tension between thumb, index, and needle so you can pick up defined loops. You will feel how much tail to leave. If unsure, estimate 3 times the width of the finished piece. You now cast on the core sequence. Bring the needle tip under the loop on your thumb, moving bottom to top, then reach over and catch the yarn across your index finger. Pull that index finger strand through the thumb loop, forming a new stitch on the needle. Make sure to keep even tension by lightly closing your index finger between repetitions. This controls stitch size. Once done a few times, you'll find a rhythm: thumb under, index over. Pull through so you can cast on quick. You finish by ensuring the cast-on edge is not twisted and the first real stitch is ready to work. Simply knit into the first cast-on loop to secure it. Make small adjustments. If the edge is too tight, loosen the thumb loop slightly. If too loose, snug the yarn at the needle. Once done, weave the tail into the wrong side or anchor it with a tapestry needle after a few rows. If stitches ladder or split, redo the last few. That fixes most edge problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.